my favorite.
Are there any crazy stories here at Sweet?
Oh wow, I'll tell you one. We do a thing called Name of the Day where we have 3 names that we pick from our Facebook fans, and those 3 people, or anyone with that name, like if they pick Amber or Liz, then everyone with that name comes and gets free cupcake. Well, one day this woman came in and I was like, hey, welcome to Sweet. And I was like, are you Wanda? And she was like, I am. And I said, well, that's our name of the day. And she said, what does that mean? And I said, that means you get a free cupcake. And she said, I just traveled here from out of town. I've never been here before, and I just walked in. And so she got a free cupcake. So it's like somehow the Lord knew she was coming, you know? And so it's like cool stories like that where you get to meet people, and it like makes their day, and it starts them off on the right foot too, you know? And you get to meet a lot of great people. So.
Okay. Does Sweet have any involvement in the community?
They do. In fact, our leftover cupcakes each night, we box them up and give them to the Manna House. So that's a big thing that Ms. Kaya was behind that. And that because we don't sell any cupcakes that were not made that day. So instead of just getting rid of them, you know, and they go to waste, you know, give back. And another way giving back was the name of the day. Because, you know, you don't have to come in and buy a cupcake. You get your free one and then you get to go. So not only does it bring in new customers, but it's also like a thank you to the regulars, you know, who've been coming every day and like, you're like, oh my gosh, you so deserve it, you know, you get a million White House a week, and it makes them excited, you know, and lets them know we care about you. It's not just, you know, about selling stuff. Like, I love meeting people, you know?
Yeah,
Okay. What are the busiest times of the year for Sweet?
That is a great question. I've never been here when Sweet hasn't been busy, but when summertime, especially when we had like our brand new summer flavored strawberry, I got a call. I was supposed to come in at like 11 o'clock. It was like a strawberry fever. Can you come in? We sold 369 of just the strawberry on that day, and that was in May. And we had to bump it to 3 times a year. I mean, 3 times a week because of how busy it was. You know, Christmas time, of course, the holidays are always Mother's Day. We actually sold out of cupcakes. We had to lock the doors at 8 o'clock. And you would have thought Valentine's Day, or, you know, but apparently Mother's Day is the biggest one, you know, and we just sold out, and I was like, I can't believe this. All we had left was drinks, you know, it was cool.
Okay, last one. In one word, what does Sweet mean to you?
In one word, Sweet means to me love, because that's what I feel when I come in. That's what I feel when I think about it, when I'm with these people that literally change my life and enhance my life every day just being around them. So it's love. Like the Beatles say, all you need is love.